Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust your Honda CRV steering wheel. First, locate the small lever or knob positioned directly beneath the steering column. Before making any adjustments, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. Sit comfortably in your driver's seat, finding a good starting point for your posture. This initial setup is crucial for achieving the best driving experience. Once you've located the lever, pull it firmly downwards to unlock the steering column. This action allows the steering wheel to move freely up and down. Adjust the wheel to a height that provides a clear view of your instrument panel and comfortable arm reach. When you've found your desired tilt, push the lever back up until it clicks into place, securing the wheel. With the same lever still in the unlocked downward position, you can also adjust the steering wheel's reach. Gently pull the steering wheel towards you or push it away. Find a distance where your arms have a slight bend at the elbows when holding the wheel. This ensures optimal control and comfort. Once set, firmly push the lever back up to lock the telescopic position. After making your adjustments, always double-check that the lever is fully locked, ensuring the steering wheel is secure. Take a moment to sit in your new driving position, confirming it feels comfortable and provides good visibility. A properly adjusted steering wheel significantly improves driving ergonomics, reducing strain on your shoulders and arms, and enhancing overall safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.